Hello, it's Bekah and welcome to another summer afternoon here at our little farmhouse on the northern plains of Iowa. Today I just wanted to share a few creative mason jar ideas that would be perfect to complement the last of our summer days. I'll be using them to decorate with. I'll be making a refreshing summer salad. So as always, I'm so glad you're here with me today and have stopped by for a visit here at our home, the Carriage House.
Side by side we sway there in all the colors. Summer love, lonesome love, folded on the lawn chair in all the colors. Summer love. Stop giving back. Honeysuckle, fresh cut grass. I could really use some stuff like that. Talk to me and tell me all that you've seen, all the colors, summer love. Memory washed in every shade of green and all the colors, summer love. Day canoe, bathing in the turquoise blue, losing track of time with you. Another peach pie sunset view, sleeping in the afternoon. No place to be and nothing to prove. That's sure something I could use. A cure for the air-conditioned blues. Could use some too.
So while that banana bread is in the oven, and those make wonderful gifts by the way, I decided to visit our little garden and harvest tomatoes, cucumbers, and summer squash to make that salad I was telling you about. And it makes a wonderful lunch on the go, or you can make it earlier on in the day and then you have a fresh salad that will last kind of, a couple of days in the fridge, which is nice when you're tired at night, and maybe serve it alongside pasta with olive oil and fresh garlic. But I love being out in the garden, except for maybe this week when it's pretty hot out. I will miss the garden in the long days of winter. A late summer garden has a tranquility found no other time of year. And I know that someone is sitting in the shade right now because someone's hands planted a tree a long time ago.
Goes round and round
on the ground. It's a dizzying day. I would give a lot to get